Camp Nou is no longer just a construction site. It is becoming a stadium. The third tier is closing out, the compression ring is accelerating, and details that were completely invisible just weeks ago are now appearing inside the bowl itself. Every single visit reveals something new. The pace has shifted, and the transformation is becoming impossible to ignore. Here is your full update. Starting at the south goal, the third tier seating is now remarkably close to completion across this entire end. Only a narrow strip at the very top remains unfinished, and crews are visibly pushing hard to close that final gap. What is striking from inside is just how much of this upper tier already feels finished. The concrete structure is solid, the seating rows are defined, and the sheer scale of what has been built here is only truly understood once you are standing inside the bowl looking up at it. Once that last section is sealed, the workflow transitions immediately into waterproofing treatment across the full surface, a critical step before any seats can be bolted down. After that comes the final visible transformation, when thousands of seats begin filling these rows and the third tier takes on its permanent identity. The first LED panels of the second ring have been spotted at the lateral corner with the south goal. From outside, this is still impossible to see. But from inside, the first sections are now clearly visible. It is only a small portion for now, but it confirms installation has started. If you are enjoying these updates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Megaverse Builds for more. Moving along the lateral stand, the compression ring continues to be the defining visual story of the entire site. 8 segments of varying sizes are now locked into position, held up by 6 pillars, each carrying their corresponding radial beams. Below on the ground, centering frames remain staged and ready. The critical shift happening right now is that material deliveries are outpacing installation. New pillars, radial beams, and ring segments are arriving before the previous ones have even been lifted. That gap signals one thing clearly. A serious acceleration is coming, and the ring is about to grow rapidly in both directions around the stadium at once. At the north goal, ceramic slat installation has officially begun inside the bowl. 2 horizontal rows of yellow slats now run along the lower section, the very first decorative interior elements to appear in this zone. The color contrast against the bare concrete is immediate and striking, and it gives the clearest indication yet of how dramatically different this interior will feel once the slats spread across the full surface. That is Camp Nou right now, a stadium revealing new details every single day. Drop a like and subscribe to Megaverse Builds so you never miss a moment of this journey. The most dramatic phases of this build are still ahead, and we will be here for all of it. See you next time.